Still do your meal preps. Even though you're home, you can still prep just like you did before. So having those meals made or prepping once a week, having those containers in the fridge so that when you have a break between conference calls or virtual homeschooling or whatever you're doing, you can run and you can grab your meal, you have it there and you have it made. Because if it's not made, I have people tell me, I just go and grab a handful of chips, or I eat the leftovers from my children's lunch, and they're just not prepared. One of the hacks or things that I recommend is the day that you plan on meal prepping, get out your containers first thing in the morning when you're pouring your cup of coffee, set them out on your counter so that they're there, so that is a visual reminder that, oh yeah, I'm meal prepping today. My containers are out. It's a reminder every time you walk by them that, yes, I'm going to get to this today. I'm going to get it done. We need those visual cues, those visual reminders to complete tasks and complete goals. So that's one of my favorite things is just let's set them out so that they're there and that we can get prepping.